Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Axelbus Software Testing, where you will learn in easy, simple way. So we are learning Zephyr, and this is our third video. In this video, we are going to see how to write BDD test cases in Zephyr. So let's get started. Before we start, let's understand what is BDD. BDD means Behavioral Driven Development. That framework enables the software tester to complete the test scripting in plain English. You can write simple stories in your regular English and you can write test cases in that way. So BDD mainly focuses on the behavior of the product and user acceptance criteria. So I have written few sample test cases for login feature of in BDD. BDD means behavior driven development. In BDD, you will get requirements in user stories. Simply how user follows the product or how user uses the product. That kind of stories is written in your regular uh, English, and that will be your requirement. So here I have taken simple login form, and I have written simple scenarios of BDD. So first of all, what is my description as a new user? These are few keywords which will rectify this is your BDD test case. So this is as a new user. Then second one is I want. Then so that. These three keywords will come under your description. So as a new user, I want to log into the website so that system can remember my data. So this is my requirement. So how many scenarios can you do? You can draw so many scenarios. I have taken three. So first of all, scenario one is successful login to the website. So what is given? User brings the pop-up, login pop-up. Then user click on sign in and enters the valid information. And then what should happen? It should log in successfully. Like this, 3-4 scenarios I have written, and those will convert into Zephyr test cases. Let's go back to our Jira, and this is our Jira board, and let's now create the BDD test feature. So we have already seen how to create the simple test cases. If you have not watched our previous video, please go back and watch, because we are going in the sequence. We will be covering in our next lecture, we will be covering planning and execution and reporting as well. So let's come back to the BDD. So create BDD feature. If you click on this, some window like this will get open, and usually it is story. If it is not story, here go back and click to story, and then something like this window will open, and label should be BDD feature. If you click directly from BDD, then this should appear. So this is our BDD framework. So let's copy paste our test cases. So first of all, feature is login. We'll write this login into. So first of all, feature is login. Let's write this into summary login feature. We'll write. Then description. Description is what we wrote here as I want, so that these keywords. So this is description. So description is as I want, so that these keyword if you use, this becomes your user story description. So copy paste that here, and no need to write anything, just confirm the label should be BDD feature and create. So our BDD feature got created. It is under label BDD feature. So click here, it will open so many things. So click on feature content. click on feature content. This is your background. Background means if before your test case, if you want to execute anything, like you want to open any form or you want to prerequisite, you can say, if you have any prerequisite, it will come under background. And in scenario, you will write the scenario. So what is your scenario? Your scenario, first scenario is successful login to the website. This is your first scenario. Add it. Scenario 1 is done. Second scenario. Okay, you can write steps here. Steps will be yours. These things which uses given, when, and then. What I told you just before is everything you copy. So this will be your steps. So if you, when you write the steps, these keywords given, when, and then, these keywords will be identified automatically by Zephyr. If this is not identified, if you are copy pasting, then you go back, delete that, and again write. So this is your steps, and done. You're good to go. This is done. So next scenario, your next scenario will be unsuccessful login. Correct. Unsuccessful login is your next scenario, and these will be steps given, when, and then. So like this you can write all the steps here. Success. So like this you can write all the scenarios and all the user stories in this. You can write the test cases. You go to login feature and you click on scenario here. Let's write one more scenario, forget password scenario. So you forget password scenario, you write exit. Then this inside this forget password, if you go, there will be Zephyr action, Zephyr details, test details, and test execution. Click on this test details, then you will be seeing add steps. So by that way or this way, both the ways you can write add steps. Done. Success. Login feature and then feature content. So from here you can download feature file and it will look like your normal test cases only. Look at this. So it will download like this. The advantage of this file is you can share this file to your teammates, your BA, or anybody else which is not having your Jira account. So this is very useful feature. For today we have just learned BDD feature. So in next videos we'll be seeing how to planning and execution, how to reporting, and different types of integrations. This is it for today. Hope you like this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post videos on every Tuesday and Friday. Please comment down to us what you want, what is your requirements from this channel, and happy testing. Bye bye.